Let's make cucumber salad. Starting from sugar, salt, vinegar. Microwave it for 30 seconds. After 30 seconds, stir to mix it well and let it cool down. Now we're going to slice cucumber. We don't want it to be too thin because it's going to be soft. We add onion and jalapeno or chili. Mix it well together with the sauce and leave it about 5 minutes, and that's all. It's ready to be served. This cucumber salad also good with any spicy dishes. Here are some dishes which go well with cucumber salad, starting from chicken satay, yellow curry chicken, and chicken biryani. If you want to know how to cook these dishes, please check on my other videos. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much.